Sqoop is a free data journalism site that we launched in April 2015 to help reporters unlock stories from public record sites. Our vision is to become the platform for business, government, and other data journalists are interested in globally. To date, we've sourced 3 government sites in the U.S. central to business and investigative journalism: the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Patent Office, and the federal court system. Instead of journalists needing to go to each of these sites individually, however, they can instead go to Sqoop to see at-a-glance results for all of the data sources we aggregate. Reporters can refine their results based on data source and even form type. Now, this alone saves journalists hours of time every single week, but we take it a step further by allowing them to establish alerts so that every time there's a new filing that matches their interests, the reporter can jump on the story. Not only does Sqoop centralize the searching of public records, but we also apply a layer of intelligence on top of our search results to help journalists more quickly assess their news value. Here, we translate the codes and do the math to show that Sergey Brin sold more than $20 million worth of Google stock. And we use data science to extract the meaning from exhibits, often associated with SEC filings, to show that there's a press release, blog post, offer letter, etc. A Sqoop user for one of the largest daily newspapers in the U.S. broke this news of Google's offer letter to its CFO fully 11 minutes ahead of Bloomberg and everyone else because she uses Sqoop. Patents are often an indicator of where a company is focused, even if the patent application or grant is never taken to market. Here, for example, is an application filed by the Boeing company to use 3D printing in its manufacturing process, and here is the resulting story. The publication was kind enough to credit Sqoop for the assist. Major federal court cases are the subject of major news stories, including the pharmaceutical CEO Martin Shkreli, who's being sued for fraud, rapper 50 Cent, who's in bankruptcy court, and Microsoft Corporation, which is being sued for sex discrimination. To help reporters follow these court cases, we introduced a feature called Docket Watch that alerts reporters whenever there is a new update to a case that they're following. In less than a year on the market, already 3,000 reporters have registered for Sqoop. That represents more than a third of all business-focused journalists in the U.S., and this is just the beginning. We have plans to add other data sources in the U.S. and abroad, but also we want to create a platform where others can contribute additional sources and tools so that we can help reporters around the world unlock stories from a wide variety of data sources that we can't tackle alone. Sqoop, the News Discovery Network.